It has been more than 2 years since GoPro has first released their first 360 action camera. As the new trend in action camera rises, GoPro decided to bring their own version of action camera, GoPro Max, which came out 1 year after the release of Insta360 One X. GoPro Max was the successor of GoPro Fusion, which came out in 2017. With better hardware updates and better 360 features, GoPro Max easily became the fans' favorite choice in the market. But Insta360 seems to get more powerful over the years, just like the latest release of Insta360 One RS 1-inch. The rise of Insta360 action camera users have risen significantly and became GoPro's strong rival by taking over the majority of the market. As a result, GoPro seems to be falling behind from its glorious spot on the market. But the wait is almost over. According to GoPro CEO Nick Woodman in his earnings call earlier this year, he promised us that there will be some major releases at the end of 2022, making the Hero and Max series into 4 distinct camera products offering advanced upgrade to its hardware and software. Could this mean there will be a new GoPro Max, which fans are calling the GoPro Max 2? Now, there are many leaks and rumors about when it will come, what we will get and what to expect from this release, and in this video, we will cover all the latest leaks and news and also share our thoughts with you. With that being said, let's jump into the video right away. It's expected that GoPro Max 2 will come out this year in September. We don't have any clear information about what type of upgrades we will receive, but we did receive some major news about what we might get from GoPro Max 2. According to the latest leaks and rumors, the new GoPro patent applications were published by the United States Patent and Trademark Office on June 30 this year. It has some clear views for us to understand what a successor of GoPro Max could be capable of doing. With the new patent application being released, we also got to know that the new 360 camera software of GoPro Max 2 relates to framing videos based on the context of the videos. The new patent application has also mentioned some really cool features which might be added to the new GoPro Max 2 as the new GoPro patent applications were released. Blur detection, color analysis, face recognition, histogram analysis, object recognition, and scene recognition, which will give GoPro Max 2 a strong foundation to decide where the camera will be pointed at the final moment. Now let's talk about the expectations from people and what we expect to happen in the near future with the new GoPro Max 2. Some people say the resolution will be more than 6K, but in our opinion, we don't think the resolution will be more than 5.6K or 6K. Any video shot in more than 6K resolution becomes incredibly hard to edit unless you have a very high configured laptop or a PC, which unfortunately a wide range of customers just do not have. Knowing GoPro, they will not make such a move that might harm their customer experience. GoPro Hero 10 was released last September with HyperSmooth 4.0 and GP2 processor. Will there be a better stabilization system with the upgraded HyperSmooth 5.0 image stabilization? If so, it will be truly a game changer for the next GoPro chapter. Also, an upgraded version of the GP2 series processor would be very nice in our opinion. That will help to boost the performance even more than we can imagine. The underwater lens refraction system is another feature that we need for these action cameras if they want to keep standing at the top of the market by beating other competitors. And lastly, yes, the slow-mo feature is a must for the next GoPro Max 2 considering competitors who are already using it. Now the challenging part is it enough to beat the new Insta360 One RS 1-inch action camera with dual 1-inch sensors and breathtaking 21-megapixel HDR photos? Well, to answer that question, we have to wait till the camera actually comes out.